How to fix Resident Evil Requiem crashing or not launching? So basically what you need to do is get over to your desktop and then press Windows R on your keyboard, type prefetch like this and hit enter. Delete every file you see here. After that do this again and then type temp and hit enter. Delete everything from here as well, and if it says like this just skip them and close this. Now do this again and then just type percentage front and back. Let us just type percentage time percentage simply like this, hit enter and delete everything from here as well. After doing this, hopefully your problem solves, and yes, this is how you can do it. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.